According to TikTok, this little root can fix your anxiety, help you sleep, boost your gym gains, and maybe even make you emotionally invincible. It's called ashwagandha. But is it a miracle herb or just a vibe-suppressing placebo with a horsey smell? Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is an ancient herb used in Ayurvedic medicine for over 3,000 years. Its name literally means smell of a horse, which is not a selling point, but it's been traditionally used to boost strength, reduce stress, and promote longevity. Basically, it's the OG adaptogen, aka a plant that helps your body adapt to stress. On TikTok, it's the chill pill of choice. People say it helps them sleep, calms their anxiety, and makes them feel emotionally flat. Like, can't cry during sad movies? Flat. But what does science say? Studies show ashwagandha can reduce cortisol, the stress hormone. In one study, people taking 300 to 600 milligrams daily reported lower anxiety and better sleep. Other research suggests it might help with cognitive function, physical performance, sleep quality, heart health, inflammation, and oxidative stress. But, and this is a big but, most studies are small, short-term, and not super conclusive. So while it might help, it's not a guaranteed miracle. Now, let's talk side effects. Most people tolerate it well, but some report nausea, diarrhea, dizziness, emotional numbness. Yes, that's a thing. Rare cases of liver damage. And if you're pregnant or have thyroid issues, or take meds for blood pressure, diabetes, or autoimmune conditions, this herb might not be your friend. One of the weirdest side effects people report? Feeling emotionally blunted. Some say they can't cry. Others say they feel detached from joy, sadness, even love. Is it the herb, the placebo, or just TikTok drama? We don't know for sure, but it's worth watching out for. So, should you take it? If you're curious, talk to a healthcare provider first. Don't just follow TikTok trends with blind trust and a gummy bear. Some bottles might not even contain what they claim. This video is for entertainment and education, not medical advice. If you're dealing with anxiety, insomnia, or stress, talk to someone qualified. Preferably not a wellness influencer with a ring light. Thanks for watching Weird But Well, where we test the trends, question the hype, and occasionally vibe with ancient herbs. Like, subscribe, and tell us, have you taken ashwagandha? Did it chill you out or shut you down?